Hey guys, Golden Dragon here back with another video. So in today's video we're going to be unboxing some Doctor Who items. So we've got the 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver and we've got River's Future Sonic, which the 12th Doctor gives her. So if I just start clearing away here on the box. That is loud. Right. If I tape this up well, just get got my iPhone battery pulling tools here. Sorry about the messy unboxing, guys. I do not have my knife. I'm just going to rip the box. I don't need it, I've got loads of boxes. Right, if I just finish unboxing this off screen, I'll be back in a second. So after going through all that trouble, I think they're in here. Feels like it's just a load of newspaper. Some more. I feel like I'm playing Pass the Parcel. Oh, here they both are. Wow. This is a special one. So here we've got the 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. And they've got the... Oh. That's pretty cool. Pretty awesome. I've never actually owned a 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver before. This one's pretty cool. It's not the UV one, which I'm alright about. But if we now take a look at River's one. So at the side we've got this plastic thing. I'm sort of a bit worried just in case this breaks, but at the top we've got the emitter. We've got the little side panel here. Not sure how you activate this one. Yeah, I'm not really too sure how you activate this one. It must be. Oh, there's a button here. And if you press the button, I think it goes red. The button feels a bit... It does go red, but looking at them here, these are two good looking sonic screwdrivers in my opinion. We got the River's one, the 10th Doctor's one, and you can count it as a 9th Doctor's as well. But comparing it to my favourite sonic screwdriver, the 12th Doctor's one, you see the 12th Doctor's one is significantly bigger than both of these two. I also prefer that there's a lot more going on with the 12th Doctor's one, but the 10th Doctor's one is certainly very nice. But anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye, and also please don't forget to like and subscribe this video.